Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is questions and answers. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is questions and answers of chapter 1. And this is lecture number 2. And today I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 1 number SW. So dear student, let's begin the class. You can see I have written here all questions and answers. And this is your science book. And these questions from here, page number 6. From this page. Today we will do these questions and answers. Here is first question. Which part of our body do we use to pick things up? Answer here is we use hands to pick things up. We use hands to pick things up. 2 number question is here. Which part of our body do we use to see things? Which part of our body do we use to see things? Answer here is we use eyes to see things. We use eyes to see things. 3 number question here is which part of our body do we use to smell flowers? Answer is here we use nose to smell flowers. We use nose to smell flowers. Number 4 question is here. Which part of our body do we use to eat food? Which part of our body do we use to eat food? Answer is we use mouth to eat food. We use mouth to eat food. Now 5 number question. Which part of our body do we use to walk? Here will be a question symbol. Let's write this. Okay. Which part of our body do we use to walk? Answer is we use legs to walk. We use legs to walk. And 6 number question is here. Which part of our body do we use when we listen to music? Which part of our body do we use when we listen to music? Answer is we use ears to listen music. We use ears to listen music. And 7 number question is here. Which part of our body do we use to smell? Which part of our body do we use to smell? Answer is here. We use nose to smell. We use nose to smell. So dear students, we have finished total 7 questions and answers today. Now I will give you SW. Our SW number is today 1 number SW. And students, remember that when you will do your SW, you have to write down the SW number and date, your submission date on top of your SW copy page. And your SW number today is 1 number SW, and your SW will be 3 questions and answers. Here is total 7, and your SW will be 1 number, 2 number and 3 number questions and answers. So your SW will be questions and answers from 1 number to 3 number. Your SW number is 1, and your SW will be questions and answers from 1 number to 3 number. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. And you will submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.